The Zimbabwe National Army ZNA said that the movement of tanks in Harare on Sunday and Monday ahead of Defense Forces Day celebration is part of a planned procession initiated to not alarm the public. Sarabda Mashko Blind watches the army quells coup rumors. Web subscribe or like what on the bill. The army said the procession will take place from 9 to 11 August 2026, moving from Charles Gumbo Barracks to Rufaro Stadium, where the main Zimbabwe Defense Forces ADF Day celebrations will be held on Tuesday. In a statement, Director Army Public Relations Colonel Lengiwe Dube urged members of the public not to panic, saying the military movement was part of preparations for the national celebrations. The procession will leave Charles Gumbo Barracks, proceed along Airport Road, and turn into Deep Avenue before moving along Cripps Road and Remembrance Drive towards Rufaro Stadium. The clarification comes amid heightened political tensions within ZANU-PF, particularly over President Mnangagwa's continued stay in office in succession battle involving Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. The rumors have revived memories of November 2017 when the Zimbabwe Defense Forces intervened in politics following a bitter succession struggle inside ZANU-PF. November 2017, then Vice President Mnangagwa was dismissed by the late President Robert Mugabe amid a factional battle over his succession. Days later, then ZDF Commander Chiwenga issued a warning against the pegging of Liberation War veterans before the military deployed troops and armored vehicles in Harare. The military seized control of the state broadcaster and placed Mugabe under effective house arrest. Mugabe subsequently resigned, paving the way for Mnangagwa to assume the presidency. The intervention is widely been described as a military coup, although the military at the time insisted that it was a limited operation aimed at removing criminals around Mugabe rather than overthrowing the government. Nearly 9 years later, relations between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga have become increasingly strained over the country's succession question. The dispute intensified following ZANU-PF's endorsement of its constitutional changes that extended presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years and paved the way for elections to be held in 2030 instead of 2028. Mnangagwa subsequently signed the amendments into law. Chiwenga has publicly opposed aspects of the succession and constitutional process, exposing increasingly visible divisions within the ruling party and fueling speculation over the balance of power between the two leaders. PANECHAMISA subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.